Welcome to another Infrascale product video. Today we'll be introducing our new product, EndGuard. What is EndGuard? EndGuard is our answer to the continuing of the distribution of data in business environments. With the movement of BYOD, we're seeing that data is no longer centralized in a single device, say your file server, and traditional backup solutions no longer completely cover your business. We've developed a backup solution specifically for taking care of these endpoints that is both simple to deploy and centrally manage. To get started, we open up our Infrascale dashboard. In the Infrascale dashboard, we have information to allow our administrators to centrally deploy, create accounts, monitor and react to daily activity of backups, and also report on the historical activity. With EndGuard, we've taken it a step further. When we go to Manage and go to Devices, we go to Add Devices. This is where we can build our Microsoft installer file for mass deployment. The MSI can be built intelligently to either use a single account across many devices or to create accounts automatically to ensure a one-to-one relationship between backup accounts and users. When we generate an MSI and we deploy it as a group policy across the network, we'll automatically see a presence of all the devices in our device page. Next to each device will be a connection status and action items. To show what the EndGuard view is, I'm going to go to our backup accounts view and select an account that has the EndGuard icon next to it. This means that this account is licensed for the EndGuard functionality of mass deployment and remote control. So now we're in an EndGuard view. At the top, we have our summary of usage. So this account has just under 200 gigs total used, with 74 of those gigs being uploaded last month. Then we have our day-to-day activity, what's been happening recently. Then we have our historical reporting that shows the count of files being backed up and the size of files being backed up in 30-day increment. Below we have information about the account, so general information as far as the username, the contact email for this user. Under device management, we have again information regarding the actual device that it's installed upon. So we have this Dell, this SQL Server demo machine. Status is green, it means it's currently connected. So we could actually initiate a backup directly from the dashboard or an upgrade, say that this backup version is out of date. So we can mass upgrade all of our deployments at the same time as run backups for our deployments. When you run the backup, it'll be run in a silent mode. Data loss prevention focuses more around location and the ability to remote wipe a device. Should your device be lost or stolen, you can come to this tab and wipe the data that was selected for backup using this page. Our Analytics tab is great for an overview and recovery and activity over a period of time, namely 30 days. So we have our calendar view to show red, yellow, or green based on the activity for a particular day during the month. We can export this information to an Excel document or see more detailed information by going to our History tab. Here we can actually see the total data selected for backup, what was processed, both in terms of size and number of files. Because our system also supports multiple backup types, you can actually see which type of backup this was working on as well, whether it was file and folder, Exchange, SQL, or image stream. Lastly, we have our device map. Now on a map, you can see the location of the latest activity for your backups. This is especially helpful in times of mobile workforces when devices can be lost or stolen. If the device is connected to the internet, you'll be able to see the last known location of the device so that you can do a little bit of an audit in helping retrieve that information or that physical hardware. So here we have a map of Los Angeles, and we can see in southern Los Angeles we had a backup run a number of machines, so this is our headquarters. And then in more the center of Los Angeles, we have some activity from off-site work. When you combine all the elements of easy, intelligent mass deployment with central reporting and monitoring for your endpoints with data loss prevention, you can provide a true data protection solution for your business regardless of how distributed your business is. Just because your business is growing doesn't mean your risk has to. For more information, visit our website at infrascale.com, products, EndGuard. You can talk to a specialist at 877-896-3611 or select to request a demo. Fill out the form and you'll be contacted with information so that you can get started and try it out yourself. The Infrascale product team thanks you, and we look forward to talking to you again. Thanks and have a good one.